Hi there, Jaclyn Luongo here. I am a licensed esthetician and NASNPRO advisory board member. I'm here to talk with you about the secrets of success to the esthetician and in the beauty industry. And I feel really strongly after 24 years that you never stop learning and never stop understanding what the trends are, innovation, and what better way to do that than through NASNPRO, the live events, the virtual events, education, and being part of the NASNPRO community and family by becoming a member. I feel like you never should stop learning, and there's always something that we can learn from each other and continue to grow as a professional and within our business. And so there's a lot of value to that, whether we're 1 year into the industry or 30 years into the industry. I feel very passionate about being part of a network, and NASNPRO is the one that I choose. And who is part of it? It's a range from people that have been in the industry for 30 years to those students out there that, I have a following of students because I teach sometimes at schools, and I love seeing how hungry you are. And I see business owners that are the same even 20 years later because this is what we love. It doesn't feel like work. So it's great to be a member, to have all the savings that we get for being connected to so many amazing vendors and device companies, and also to education, to those events. And we really consider ourselves really a community of mentors, and how we all really do help each other. And when we come together, it just makes us stronger. I always feel inspired after I attend an event, or even when I've hosted some of the Boston events. You leave there with so much knowledge, which is power for us to grow. And I love hearing the success stories of each other, because it's something that we can always learn and spin off from. So whether, again, you are a seasoned professional or a student that is graduating soon and you need to find your way, we are here to help. I know that there's so much support that goes on in the back end of those members and any of the vendors that are connected to the events that you attend to. We are here to support you and help that growth. And this is a great place that it really is important to all of us that you succeed. And we support that. So please, if you are not a member yet, it's free to join. And if you can join at any of the live events, we have some amazing ones this year coming up. I'm the host of the Boston event, September 17th, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.